uFloyd laphayana elento eTVET college eTVET efike ngemoto yakhe kamnokushe ngaka thina sibe silambe iANC yangena futhi laphayana iyosihleka ene bahleze besihleka bethi niyolamba nize nife mangabe ni join iEFF ene babe benyanisile silamba. Hey guys, ngeke hayi mina ngiyaba understand abantu ba KZN.
Okay, Toz.
Mina zengiyasho ukuthi
yes, Toz. Toz. Toz.
yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
Lois.
umbuzo question benye is
Okay.
Toz, in the last elections ezika-20 ngami ubuvotele uphi umbutho?
Ndivotele EFF.
Okay, Toz
Ubuthe one,
andifunukubuza
Lois.
ngisekhaya ne.
Ubuthe one.
Zizindakuqhawula umno wena. Kumapho kum.
Kodwa zange ngikhankase because ukukhankasa nakhona kwakuyibig.
Sorry Toz, funa nje ukubuza uzuzu yakufuna. Uvuthela nawe. Toz, ndicela ndisekhaya ne ndiyayiva lento uyithethayo. Can you ucinga ba singenza njani to remedy this ndiyivile problem ne, but I want us usicela ba singenza njani because andiyazi mhlambi zicommon andikaziboni mina lapha kwelicala lengakum andiyazi ba mhlambi noba into yomabangela but kukho umuntu othe ulandika obhale apha what Floyd's tendencies are. I don't want to blame on him. How can we help each other going forward? Zayekela kuzizi ngathi unawo nombuzo naye.
Because I wanted to ask Ukuthi Tukvile tell you voted for the EFF. Are you still a member of the EFF in good standing? I think that's what I'm interested in. Or did you get discouraged and you sort of stopped?
Angiyona member manje because angithi kwakuthiwe as lento ke asiphinde futhi silento kamakhadi wethu so zange ngibhadale but plus angisekho manje sengikwenye province angisekho plus ngidiscourageekile nje and in fact ngiphumile kwama politics because ngiyabona ukuthi hayi abantu lapha yana bayela ukuyodla nje wonke umuntu ugade ukuthi umzila lento kalana nami ngiyangena lana ngidla imali so hayi ngabona ukuthi no hayi.
Okay, the reason I asked you if you are still a member, ne? It's because it's the same reason why Lois asked you if you voted for the EFF, because you are indeed didn't sound like an EFF member, but I don't blame you. There are people I know that are in KZN who have been treated so bad, ne? But when they speak of how they've been treated, they recognize what they've been treated bad by who. Ne? When they tell their stories, they bayabala, the people that have treated them bad, and all those people they are no longer in the EFF. All of them.
I got to call ukhona uDlamini umashali usakhona nje umashali. But listen, okay.
Wait, Kaloko. Wait. Go on, eh?
Okay.
Yeah. And also remember, if you have been treated, I think me and you would be having a different conversation if you were treated bad in the EFF and you were not happy and you were still a member of the EFF. What you are saying now and how you are saying it would be totally different. Ne? I know a lot of people that were treated bad or maybe who have had a bad experience in the EFF. Ne? That are not, like for Godol. I listened to him one day, Tete Story Sakesitubana. There was a rally in KZN and he really wanted to speak to Julius Malema. And Wakudisa, he tried by all means to get to Julius Malema and he was stopped by the bodyguards. And then he ended up in Akwasuteta no Julius Malema. And bitterness yake comes from that. As a result, if you ask him about the EFF now, he hates it so much that he says that EFF, I've been treated bad. We had real problems. We needed to talk to the president and we are not allowed to. And when I was being pushed away by the securities, UCIC saw me, but he did not do anything. He did not say, I am here. Yeah, understand? And I know members of the EFF that have been treated bad. Ngabo Floyd nabanye, their language no better like is different. Now I think there is no use of us in this life to entertain you, and please don't get me wrong. There is no use of us in this life to entertain you about how you were treated in the EFF if you are not in the EFF anymore. I think you've made your decision. Yabon. And Tina, we are in the EFF. We are not saying the EFF is 100%, but we are happy in the EFF. Whatever that we are not happy with, we are happy to put it aside and to make sure that Black people are being liberated. It's not only about us, it's not about me, it's not about my experience, but it's about the future generational mission. Yeah, but so if
Okay,
we
ngiyakuzwa sisi, but do you
And
think
I'm
abantu
sorry,
I'm gonna give you
sorry,
advice. Don't worry,
sorry,
Wait,
ne.
you.
Okay,
Just
okay,
to
okay.
add, Ima kancinci, just to add,
Hayibo,
wena
kumnandi
Zizipho,
nangoku.
just to add, sorry, Siswam, just to add on what
Yiba,
Uzizipho
yiba.
is saying, when you don't renew membership yakho, ne, it means that whatever grievances you might have had, wathatha a permanent decision wena yoba ngabana nansi isolution uyithathileyo, so ngoku ubuyela back ayisekho active membership yakho, uyithathe i-permanent decision without launching. That is why mna benifuna ukubuza i-first formal complaint yakho uyifake nini, before i-membership yakho iphele or after, because surely ucomplainile.
Or I wrote emails. I don't remember, but I did write emails like I used to write emails with the situation sinjani, because we would go to Emma villages akude singenakutya silamba. Ngiyababona nje abantu lana bekhuluma ngokuthi ngikhulumela ukudla. Guys, ngiyakwazi ukulamba but
wait.
okay fine.
I think
Okay, but ndiyakulento le ethi, do you think abantu bake KZN ke nje manje nikhuluma kanje nithi abantu bake KZN banje ke bana kanje nakanje mangabe angithi kunama factions kumele ngingakhulunywa ngawo. Okay fine, mangabe ke kunjiya abantu bake KZN nitshela ukuthi nina bazophinde bavotele abantu abababonayo ukuthi baba miscreata kanjena na nanokuthi okay fine, mangabe siya kuma complaints angithi asinawo ama lento thing as ama ground force, asinayo ilento yokuthi masitshela i leadership sibhala ama lento ama emails yabona abenzi next, because angithi ne leadership le phezulu iyona engenzi lutho engalungisi lutho. So nina nitshela ukuthi ke
ngiyeke ndigqibe Nkosi yami, ngiyacela ima-tops ndifake bendingakagqibi guys,
Gqibezela sis.
Tops, you know, me and you or us right now, we would be having a different conversation if Ubusiti. Guys, now I am not active as a ground force anymore because there are no resources. You are not, by the way, you are not the first ground force to say there are no resources, especially on Masakeza. Then you are actually not the first one. There is 2 more people that have come here and Bazi who are still members of the EFF. If you were saying, I am not, I've retired from being a ground force, but I will always vote for the EFF because I subscribe to the to the generational mission and to the ideology and to what they preach. So I will always vote for the EFF. But what I'm not going to do is, I'm not going to be a ground force. I'm not going to go around it because Ndoni, there is no resources, and unfortunately, until that is sorted, then I'll come back to being a ground force. Me and you and us here would be having a different conversation. Now, I feel like this conversation we're having, it is a waste of time because you have decided that the EFF is bad and that you don't want to be a member of the EFF anymore. You are not saying, I'm choosing not to be active because asiphathekanga kahle, but I still stand by the policies of the EFF. Now, I don't know if you being treated bad, akwabikho anaphathwa kakuhle in terms of as a working team, which is, it's not a good thing. I will agree with you. It's not a good thing. You are not the first person who's a ground force I've heard, especially as Lalin, abantu bona they are under-resourced, abana gazip, abana ntoni. Yeah, understand. You are not the first person. But there's a difference between you being treated bad and you still saying, I joined this organization for these policies and I still stand by them. When I go to vote, I will still vote for them. But what I'm not going to do is I'm not going to be a ground force. So we are wasting our time here. If the EFF is good, the EFF is bad, ube usithi wena asibazi into oyenziweyo. I think go and decide if we are puma totally good politics, or if you are still gonna vote for the EFF but into ongazuyenza awuzuba active because akho kutya mhlawumbi okanye akho transport niyazikhwelela ngemali and awunamali. Yeah, we understand Tobbs. Guys, ngicela niyeke uTobbs athethe kuqala. Let me just finish with Tobbs. Tobbs, you can unmute your mic.
Ngiyakuza sisiphathike manje-ke mangabe yabona njenganje ungilindukile awungipersuadanga awungilindokanga as umuntu we-EFF angithi ukuthi akukhulu inhlangano. So uyabona izikhalazo zami ukuthi ngiyekile ukuba i-Grand Force angivuselelanga ne-membership ngavene ngayeka because angisekho kwana ebengikhona-ke ngiyozama-ke umsebenzi kwezinye indawo-ke yabo. So yabo ukuthi uvene wathi hayi ngoba awusazuvotela ngiyakuyeka ngithini awungitshongo ukuthi okay fine as thina sama EFF especially wena ke since uyi-influencer into esingayenza mhlawumbe ukuthi silungise izinto ezikanjena singenza kanje nakanje yabo okanye just ukuthi ngixole yabo because manje wena nje uyangipheleza that's what you'll do then.
Okay
That's fine.
Okay. No asixabenanga Toss. That's why we are having a conversation. I feel like that's why ndithe you saying yabona ubusithi kum I am still a member of you are not the first one, as I've said, you're not the first person to come into this live and say I'm a member of the EFF, I'm a Grand Force, and as Lalini we struggled with gazebos, we've struggled with transportation. You are not the first person. But if you were saying to me we are struggling and we are still members of I'm still a member of the EFF, I love this organization, but what I've went through, it's not a good experience. We would be saying, guys, how can we help? What can we do? But you came and said, Guti, ndiyayiphikisa lento nithetha ubana EFF is a good organization because these are my experiences. Ne? There is absolutely no way I can convince you based on into iphilileyo. And I can convince you, mnangazama ukhuluma nge-EFF based on my experience. My experience and your experience is not the same. There is absolutely nothing I can say to you to convince you to go back to the EFF because you are a Ground Force. And I believe that you had all the knowledge and all the information when you were a member of the EFF. There's nothing I can tell you that you don't know. I believe you've had political education. You know what the EFF stands for. Yeah, so I don't think I can say to you, I think if you feel like you need to take a break, take a break and introspect. Yeah, and then when you feel like I still love the EFF, but guys, we could have that conversation. So I'm not sure how you expected me to convince you or what you expected me to say. And please tell me what you expected me to say to you that can change your mind as to you not being provided transport when you were a Ground Force. I'm not sure what you wanted me to say there. Please, you can come in and tell me what you expected me to say.
This is Zipho, can I come in?
As an influencer. Guys. You will come in and goes. Tobbs, you can come in.
Ayi sisi eqinisweni angazi nami ukuthi yeyiphi into ebengiyilindele but bengingalindelanga ukuthi uzothi just because awusakho active the-EFF okanye because angiyona enye members zangijoyine and there was a crazy wave ukuthi because sitreated badly we-ANC nakwa-EFF nakwezinye inhlangano besides ke lezi ezinye but abantu abaninzi bajoyine i-MK ngabe ngibona ukuthi mina no angikho lapho ke so then ngivotela i-EFF kodwa zangikhankasi, that's the thing. So okwamanje cha ke bengingathanda ukuthi mangabe kukhulunywa yabo njengakhulunywa lana and then abantu mabetho ama-experiences wabo yabo and then abantu bavene bathi no there's no corruption e-EFF ekubeni thina sinama-experiences wazo lezo zinto because we are individuals akekho umuntu omsulwa guys asibe
masisi wami I think let's be careful. Corruption is something else. Uba underfunded and under-resourced is something completely different. And also
our experiences are different, Lulu. Again, Kandi City, there is no corruption. It's because that is my experience.
Yeah, bo.
Uyabona?
And I think what you also need to look into. I want to say this to you, Tobsne. I would like to apologize for the experience that you have had under EFF, and I would have hoped that this isolated incident could have not deterred you from voting for us, perhaps in the near elections. In having said that, I think you are, as a fighter, we are expected to understand that when we as ground forces are experiencing minimum to no resources, it is because the organization is gathering in mass production where little is not given. Best believe i-resources zethu are channeled where they are needed the most. Hence sikwazi ukuthi umntana esikolweni, hence sikwazi uthatha abantwana sibafake esikolweni. So your little inconvenience, I apologize for it, but kwelinye icala i-translator ithethe enye into. So sometimes i-organization kufuneke i-rechanelishe ke ngoku ezi minimum resources, yenze i-objective and i-call to say ba where are the resources needed the most. And so sometimes that means thina ke ngoku as ground forces we might feel the discomfort as when usifilishileyo, but we would have hoped that ukubali fighter kwakho you will understand the situation is not personal, but this is the price we pay for the revolution. There will be situations, uncomfortabilities, compromises that you give. That is how you contribute to
But
the
also,
revolution.
you can't unlove the EFF because of an experience that you've had from other. You can't unlove the EFF. You can say you go back, like I've had fighters who have said, you back to a region yam. I'm in the Western Cape. I always complain about the EFF Western Cape. I always say, I feel like the fighters in the Western Cape, but they're not doing much, compared to like Gauteng and stuff. But I can never unlove the EFF because of one. Feel ukuthi province yethu mhlambi is not doing enough. Again, her experience should not make her unlove the EFF, should not make her to akhupha amazwi emlonyeni wakhe athi the EFF is corrupt and it's not perfect just because of an experience she has had in a village, in one village. Because of an experience she has had in a village, the EFF has treated her bad. And then afuna ubana ke ukusithini sim convince that no sisi the EFF is not like that in other places. Maybe it's only your village that he had in Tontoni or wara. I think Utos needs time to go and process her feelings. We have vote next year in 2026. She can decide what she wants to vote for, and I think that's just about it. Ngicela siphene unkosikazi kudala efuna uthetha.
Ngibingelele. Ngiyabonga sisizipho. Ngizokhuluma nje in general sisilulu. I think I comment yakho ngiyayithokozela ukuthi if umuntu engaphathekile kahle, what exactly you need to do. First of all, fanele umqala umthoba amanxeba ukuze understand ukuthi mhlambe that experience ahlangane nayo it was a different one. Bese ngithi number 2, guys, I'm just listening. I'm just going to talk in general. Ngiyanilalela nikhuluma about KZN. Mina from my experience ngizokhuluma mhlambe beside nje ipolitics like I'll speak in general. If ufika endaweni, first of all ungazisho zonke izinto singakhuluma ngalezi zinto tribalism like KZN and it's not gonna go away. Ungahambi kwayo is because if uzo approach abantu kwindawo yabo, you need to understand the culture. Ukuthi make an example. If you are a salesperson usesitolo, uqhamuka umuntu oyisulumane hamba nonkosikazi walo, awumxhawuli unkosikazi, uxhawula indoda. If ukhuluma nomuntu omlungu, umbuke emehlweni so that I understand ukuthi lento ekhuluma unesho ngayo. If uzokhuluma nebhunu, ushake isandla, ufuna sibe strong isandla sakho. So lento yase KZN if guys nizwe nikhuluma like kanje nifaka indaba ye tribalism nani izoba iproblem. We won't make it in KZN if we don't understand the culture yabantu base KZN. Bese ngithi number 3, this is Zipho. I listen to you a lot, man. And indaba konke engiyizwe engi understand ngempilo ukuthi if you are a Christian uma phambi kwabantu you wanna convince people ukuthi baba ama Christian awukhuluma ngoSathane, ukhuluma ngoJesu, because you want people to change from lezi zinto abazenzayo balandela uJesu.
I beg to
Immediately
differ.
to talk
And
about
I think that is a poor example. I know exactly where you are going, and I am a Christian. And by the way, we do speak about you with the devil, even though we are trying to
we
convince.
speak about the devil,
Even though we
but
are trying to convince people, Baba Jesu, I will speak about the MK for as long as I can. If people, there are a lot of EFF members. I'm not the only one. People
Okay.
will follow EFF not because I convince them, but also because of understanding what the EFF stands for. So
I understand.
will speak about the
I
MK.
understand. You're not getting me wrong.
Ungayigqokisa but wamuyigqokise, but I will
Okay.
speak for the EFF for as long for the
Number-
with MK
okay, number-
for as long as I breathe.
Nkosi,
Continue.
can I say
But
something?
what? Yeah,
Sorry.
guys.
Can I say something?
Guys,
Fortunately, you're gonna get your chance. Just relax. You just arrived. Relax.
enye into siswami, that other thing efuna si understand about policies. Policies are for us scholars. Uyabona umama mawubuka iKZN, ubuka amadolobha nani ukuthi mangaka amadolobha eKZN, bese ubuka ngendawo zasemakhaya ukuthi mangaka amakhaya eKZN. I'll tell you amadolobha mhlamba they make up like 30%. Then ukhulume ngapho. So if we're going to talk about policies the KZN, it can work for you mhlambe on certain areas, but most of the people abantu abavotela iqembu is not about police, because people they understand ukuthi lama policies have been there since 1994. Enzeni kubantu ama policies. People they understand the language ukuthi lo muntu bayifika uzobenzela inabantu. Are you attending inkinga abanazo as people emphakathini?
Ngicela ungiphe chance, Doc.
To differ.
For
I beg to
Umbani,
differ.
in what? In ton. And the people there, they still, the ANC put water, put itangle namans. The EFF put a transformer for them to get electricity. They did not vote for the EFF. They did not vote for ANC. They voted for MK. The ANC went to fetch their tank. Abana manzi ngokabantu balaya what? So what we are explaining here, I'm
Okay,
sorry.
okay.
And if
Boss,
abantu
sorry,
base-KZN bengafuna uvotela abanye abantu, ndithi mabayekwa mna nizigavunishe nina as KZN. MK nivotele, they are sitting on 45%. They have done absolutely nothing for you. They are not even in government. God, you gave them 45%, and then you wanna come
Okay,
here and tell
Then
us.
you understand,
okay,
but
what
they're
are
not
we
in
gonna do
power.
for the
So
people?
MK is not in power. So if he's not in power, the only thing I answer is what even the EFF is doing at the moment. They can try and assist Loma
What have
communities,
they done
but they
with
cannot help
45%?
everyone because they're not
Nkosi,
in power.
Nkosi,
Yes, sir.
Nkosi. Sorry, brah.
But the EFF is doing more than what the FK is doing.
Hebana.
My-
This is
And how
answer-
much percentage do we have? Gena law is a sort.
Yeah, Nkosi.
I'm listening.
Ndinemibuzo emibini kuwe. Okokuqala,
Yeah.
yeah, you are a leading party in KZN. 45% chooses. Nam ndiyatsho. Now we are yes.
All right. Yes.
ANC eGauteng didn't make it 2/3 majority. It's leading eGauteng.
Yeah.
It constituted a minority government. Why? While the majority, first of all, Nkosi, what organization did you vote for in the last elections, 29 May?
Okay. I'm a member of I'm a member of MK and good standing.
Okay. Hold on. Before the misplaced the platform, but let me allow you this.
Let's engage it.
Yeah. Engage. Why, Jonga? You won 45%. The wins the umzekelo where ANC eGauteng. Can you win Gauteng outright now? But you didn't even make an effort to make abantu base KZN nibalawule, but you are in majority organization there. Question yam, is it for the people or why?
Okay.
Secondly, uzizuthethe something exemplary. Thina kulanda sasifake kuyi transformer yombani. ANC yalithatha itange. Isepha zange siyikhuphe. Yabona? And ndifuna ukubonisa ba uthe abantu bafuna ukwazi ubuzabenzela ntoni na. There were floods in KZN. There were floods. ANC didn't do anything. I'm not talking MK bingabikho. IFP didn't do anything. EFF went there and invested and helped the people because ababezi victims of floods. That's a fact.
Ndifuna siyikhomperishe ngoku Lois siyisa kude Lois, let's stick to what now. What has the MK done for them now that the MK
Now.
45 bedlema masingayise kude because izawubande ndithetha ngoku mna ngoku now which ward are you in Nkosi? Let's start there.
Ngikuward 40 kwaMashu.
How far are you from Ward 2 in Richmond?
I'm not far. It's far, but
Okay.
not that far. Yeah.
You know that the MK won in Richmond, ne?
I know. Yes.
Okay. Uyayazi ukuthi aba balayite ngetransformer ye-MK ye-EFF sorry MKB10 balayite ngetransformer ye-EFF laba babefakelwe pha kula area.
Sisizipho, that's very good for iqembu to do
Kaloku
that.
ndiyaphezula laa nto ubuthe ubana
Ubuze
i-EFF
umbuzo wakho,
mayisebenzele
bafuna
abantu
basebenzela
ukuze uvote. Ndiyakuthanda uthe.
Okay, ngicela ukuphendula umbuzo
Wait,
kaSisi
Lois.
Lois.
Malois. Diphendula. Don't worry, you're gonna get time. Asiye ndawo. Oh, hayi kuzobetha u12. Sorry nikulate. I thought you could say ndiyakulanda itubana for the EFF to be voted in KZN. Ayizovotelwa nge-ideology, ayizovotelwa nge-manifesto, izavotelwa ngemisebenzi. Uyaqonda? Dithi ku-EFF ifake i-transformer pha. I-ANC yayinamatanki amanzi. I-MK ivotelo yawina pha. Abantu bapha abanamanzi.
Sisizipho,
Yeah.
you only govern go 50+1.
Masithethe nge-Richmond. Masithethe nge-Richmond okwangoku.
You're talking about the councillor. You're talking about the councillor. Elisafuneka nalo lo councillor liyocela uhulumeni ophethe.
I-EFF ifake i-transformer phaya ingacelanga mntwini.
Uhulumeni ophethe we-IFP. So kavele definitely sure singakhuluma sithini bafethu.
Wait, guys,
It's clearly a lot do not know about politics. I don't think this conversation is productive, guys, because you cannot
sorry,
tell us
fine.
that to rule you need to have 50+. EFF
But
doesn't rule
Gauteng, about
half
50
of the
plus
branches that we have in
Imagine,
South
guys.
Africa, but it's doing a lot.
andifuna
He's
isithethe
doing a lot
nango-50
for
plus
people.
wena bayi andifuna isithethe nango-45%. Ndifuna sithethe ngala ward mna. I don't even want us to drag it to 45% kwaphathi IFP. I-MK yayitheni zingaphathi kodwa ifumana i-45%. Kutheni i-MK iphethwe yi-IFP? But andifuni noba siye apho. Ndifuna sithethe ngeward le i-EFF yafaka i-transformer. Wena uthi in order for i-MK ikwazi uthatha amatanki iwafakela abantu balawodi bawine kuyi-councillor funeka baqala bayocela ku-municipality kantoni it is a ward of MK. Oh yes, funeka ilanto ezifuneka iqale i-MK iyocela kwi-IFP. I-MK inofaka amatanki kula ward funeka iqale iyocela kwi-IFP amatanki. Bingenothenga amatanki i-IFP ifakela abantu amanzi. Abantu abebenamanzi befakelwa amatanki yi-ANC. By the way, yawaxuthi i-ANC amatanki wayo because they chose to vote for MK.
Siswami iproblem yamanzi it's all over. I-KZN nje. Mase kubalela indawo that yabona njengoba ngikaMashu ku-Ward 40.
And it says about all over
Amanzi akhatha at 7 o'clock we got no water. So the problem yamanzi for EMK is a party that's not in government. You cannot satisfy onke umuntu.
Manzi.
We don't have
Lohlulwa litanki.
Why ningenzi
Ni 40+% KZN nohlulwa litanki niyofakela amanzi.
Not KZN
Lento ngikutshela yona siswami ukuthi amanzi it's a problem all over. You cannot talk about Ward 2. Ngiku-Ward 40 kaMashu. UMashu wonke njengamanje mase ngixoxele manje ungafonela anyone okaMashu awekho amanzi kumanje. We don't have water every day. I'm not talking about ukuthi mhlambe into yanamhlanje nakusasa into ya every day at 7 o'clock amanzi awekho.
Nkosi ubuke wathetha ndifuna ukulungisa kwenye into ndifuna ukulungisa i-ANC eGauteng kangumenzo 50+1 it constituted and it's legal eMzansi. It constituted what is called a minority government, but they are majority, but they didn't constitute 50+1. Bana lo mhlekazi wayilwe libhela bill uphethe pha ipremier. That means
you know why pet ANC Gauteng? It's because in the backup ye GNU. That's all. If we Tina MK ngishingafuna ukuphatha what else can you do? You can't do anything.
Wait. So it's ala lawyers. Suba competition Gauteng here Gauteng. And don't talk about the entire KZN. Sithetha ngeward apha. And because once we start index, don't complicate it. Like you are complicating it now when you are comparing provinces. I'm not even talking about KZN. I'm talking about the ward. Le ward ANC ibi manage lufanga batanga mabini pa bantu bafumana amanzi. EMK has won that ward. EMK does not even need a national structure to help them. Bebe noti pagla Richmond. But guys, ANC bisenzela icebo besikade siwafumana amanzi apha. Masenze nela cebo liyi-1 nathi. Masamena amatanki noba babini bathathu. They don't even need the help of the national. Bafumana amatanki amathathu. Baconnect amatanki. Abantu bakwazi uyokha amanzi ematankini. It does not need the same plan that the ANC did had anyway, Pi.
This is the problem. But the problem is I haven't done any investigating about what is the pinking on what MK.
You said you are not far from Cape Town. When you said you are not far from
no, but it's what two. It's not like it's like an hour's drive to go to what two. It's far.
I'm in Cape Town. When you are in KZN, you are an hour drive away. Another thing I need to EFF ifake transform 1. EMK being not dibanisi 100 rands and taking a national teta pa but dibanisi 100 rand but sami transformer yesibini. Secondly, kubuthe kwamashu kuward yakho kuphethe bani?
Petty ANC.
For by-elections, they didn't do any by-elections where you are.
No, didn't win by-election.
Okay,
no, there's never been a by-election.
Okay, but you are saying kuphethi ANC anina manzi noba singafona ngoku kungathiwa kwamanzi. Why ni MK kula area ningathi guys masisebenzele abantu. Masimene amatanki sifake namanzi. You can still do that even if akuphethanga nina kwa
even uhamba ofuna ibudget ku government the ruling party you won't get the budget because I community engaka uzofaka amatanki how much it will cost you, which means phela MK ingafakela just section 2 or 3 this community engakanani esikho
Nike nazama ufaka noba li1 itanki nikuthiwe it's not enough kodwa nilifakile itanki eli1
Siswami let's ungafakela itanki elilodwa kubantu aba over 500,000 uzofaka itanki lizokwenzani.
Nkosi, sorry Butwa, you can't want to have standards now when you have built mediocre houses and publicly broadcasted them. You can't have standards now. Have you seen the houses that the MK is akhela abantu?
Yeah,
but all one room.
Ukuthi understand
guys kusebusuku kuzobetha u12 and at 12 soze ndingathandazi ndicela sinikeni ufortune guys kudala ecela ungena
I was here before your tune. I was here before
zakufaka bayi zakufaka bukhe wakophosa amazwi amathathu ngena fortune
Dumelang
ngena emxholweni tata
Dumelang lekhaya sanibonani
kulate ngoku ngena emxholweni.
Okay, mina I have a problem in my ward 16 Kagiso at Sinqobile. I am the member of the EFF in good standing. A problem I have, I believe if they are listening here, they will consider. They make meetings but when the community called them for meetings, they don't respond. They only make meetings so that we can respond. People have complained and are getting tired about it. Number two, EFF in Krugersdorp, Borodiport and so on, Western area nje, we are crying that we don't see them in our companies, especially Tina Ama reaction officers. Our companies are looting us uniform, they take a lot of money. They are looting us ama fines, esing our con, esing our understand. When we need EFF to intervene so that end up ukuma companies, but they pay us what is due to us, but finally into bonagalayo. That is our mistakes that we have made. They can fine us for that. I'm crying for those things. We don't see the visibility of EFF. We have requested many times. They don't come to companies and speak to the companies so that the companies can treat us right. Our security people in West Rand are suffering with transportation to go to their different places within the areas where they are working. We need the intervention of EFF to help on that regard. We asking the policies of the EFF is to insource the securities and the domestic workers to find a fairness pay to their workers. We asking EFF to fight for general in the security industry, not only those who are working on the tenders for insourcing. That's all I wanted to say.
But Fortune, you said you are a member of the EFF. Which ward do you belong to?
Ward 16, Singobile Kagiso, phase 1.
Okay. Now, I feel like what you are saying, ne? You do know that people don't vote for the EFF. EFF is sitting on 9%. Ne? Until people vote for the EFF so that EFF has got enough muscle to be able to fight the entire security industry, then the EFF will. Last week or 2 weeks back, EFF fought and insourced 902, I think 902 security guards and workers. The EFF can only do so much. They are 9%. They are trying, but they can't help everybody in insourcing and all that. Now, in your ward, but who did they vote for? You said you voted for EFF as in divide one. Who did the people vote for? Lab, the ones that are there. 990, sorry.
We are divided with DA and EFF.
Exactly. So the point I'm trying to make to you is that even the people that you are crying with, that you are calling the EFF to come and help with, they don't even vote for the EFF. It's just unfortunate that you are a fighter entangled with a group of people that don't even vote for the EFF. The EFF is 9%. Ngena wenabaya, guys, you can contribute. Masnike nubaya, then you guys can come in and say something if you wanna say something. Oh, this can that was this very slowly go.
Okay, guys. If I go to whatever that I want to. I want to start ngothozi. There's something that she said. Kulumina. Nkosi yami lapho ngifuna ukukhuluma kanjani ngiyenzani uyavakala yeah ngithi before I go to whatever that I wanted to say ngifuna ukuqala ngothozi mina guys I'm from Mpumalanga. I'm an EFF member in good standing, also a student. So Thoz, I want you to understand there's something that you said young Tita and ngizwe ubuhlungu. So I want you to understand something, that EFF in the constitution, EFF in our policies. So something ANZY individually, I don't want you to think into ANZY uzizipo, it's something that the EFF lies with itself with. So I can do something that the EFF does not agree with. So I think you should go maybe and read those constitution and policies. If you see someone doing it wrong and is a member of the EFF, we have ama offices nationwide that you go and report to ukuthi umuntu oso wenza into eso or makuyi corruption usho ukuthi corruption.
Network it doesn't do justice. But I want to say this to Fortune. Fortune, there is what is called EFF Labor Desk. That is the solution for you. It's called EFF Labor Desk. Normally, if you put your situation there, but as Uzizipo said, I'm sure they will look at the area and where the business you're talking about is and check how many votes there are. I believe Kagiso is next to Krugersdorp, and that Krugersdorp area, most of the time, even now, those are the people who don't want to give us our zoning for our farm. On that area is led by DA, if I'm not mistaken. I have to check it. You know, that's the people who don't want to zone the farm that you bought, that you want to build a school. That's how I understand. But your solution there is EFF Labor Desk, and also I do believe that if you are in Kagiso, it falls under Krugersdorp. It's led by DA.
Thank you, Lois.
Also, okay, I was of the MK. They've checked the profile, but he's a member of MK. Genabai.
Yeah. Also, I just wanted to say, you're a bit discouraged because of something that a session individual did. So, and also, when you were a member of the ANC before you became a member of the EFF, one thing I want you to understand, we also have the same issues here at students. Magnama elections when we campaign. I want to know Masasko because they are funded by the ANC. They always have foods. Baba Nama KFC, Baba Nogulda, they have transport to go and campaign. We don't have that because one thing you need to understand is that the ANC has been there for years. They have the funds for that. Tina as EFF, as now our funds owenza yonke lento leyo. Okay, also indaba yase KZN le ngithola nikhuluma ngayo. I wanted to say ukuthi guys, I want to believe ukuthi KZN we do have a ground, we do have a solid ground. It's just a mere fact ukuthi most people who are there are students. Hence I'm also a student. It's just that I'm a student. Young people in fact, they are biased disappointed as EFF. They do not register to vote. So most abantu abaku EFF abantu abasha, they are just there for the vibes ukuthi umuntu uyayithanda EFF uyayibona EFF ukuthi ilwela abantu and so on. But the person is not a member of the EFF. The person has not registered to vote. Then you cannot expect a result if when yourself you do not vote. Yeah, I understand. So, Nkosi, I don't want to argue with him. He said a lot of things and of which I do not agree with. I think you need to do self-introspection. There's a lot that the EFF is doing. Maybe you're not aware, but the EFF is doing a lot of things nationwide. Even Lapekes and the EFF is doing a lot. So if you are saying people, a party should work or they should offer services in order for people to vote for them, then the EFF is the most discredited part because they do a lot and people, they never vote for them. Thank you.
To me, it's good night. It's 12 o'clock. I'll see you in the next live.
And Unkosi ndiyamthoba nimthusela imthobile. Unkosi is lying. He is a member of the MK. Usogqiba ufuna ulwelwa yi-EFF. Khathis. Nimthobile Unkosi. Oh, nimthobanga. Come ndimthobe ngokwami. Nkosi you are a lala. Oh, Fortune, sorry, ayingonkosi nguFortune. nguFortune lo lixoki. Sendiyabona ongu-12 guys, I need to pray so ndizanishiya kancinci. nguFortune lo lixoki. He is a member of the MK ngigqibojonga iivideo zakhe ngoku kodwa uzokhala apho ufuna uinsoselwa yi-EFF into abayifunayo zezi policies ze-EFF kodwa bafuna uyivotela. uTobs uselapha. Tobs, I don't know if you need to answer to Ubaya.
Angidingi answer because njengabe ngishilo ukuthi I did wenza ama means ukuthi kulungise whatever, but especially phayana eDurban kwathiwa into eyayenzeka phayana ayishike phayana. Yeah, but sengisho ukuthi awukwazi ukulungisa like okay fine. Mangabe kwenza umuntu opha phezulu into wrong. Mangabe nina nisho ukuthi cela ilungiswe ingalungiswa, so what can we do? We can't do anything, but ningandehlisa guys, it's fine.
Remember, ne, whatever decision that you're gonna make or you're gonna take, remember, Bowser, I suspect, because I'm not sure ukuthi ungakanani, but unabantwana Tos. Look at manifesto ye EFF and look at what you are gonna lose as usisi wase KZN. First of all, you guys, you know what you missed out, because let me tell you, I'm sure by now Yayasba, EFF, once they set up a goal, they apply their mind and they make sure they implement. So you women of KZN, right? You must know, you lost out on cultivating plants that EFF was willing to create for the women of KZN. Because you would be running right now, manufacturing plants, the CMOS. Probably by now, you'll be cultivating that and exporting that product to the world. And uyayazi ke ija of CMOS, that thing, it's like gold. That is what you've missed out. You've missed out as the community of KZN on licenses that were going to be taken away from the people who stole them basically, and excluded mostly of you. And as a woman of KZN, you are not even being mentioned by the Zuma family, who is running that organization, Efonulate, without a manifesto. And he will forever choose the ANC. Njengoba nangoku esisho ukuthi yena he belongs to the ANC. But what we know, the person who won out of this is the man who gets more than 500,000 per month from your contributions, or whoever contributions as a KZN. And people are not going to win today. They are not going to win even if it's 5 years of them leading, because they are all about making sure that their families are taken care of. So always, think about that. We all from the townships. We know when you apply your mind, we know as women, when you know you need to be with ground, there's cake sales. We know ways of raising money. We know ways of raising money to make sure that we all contribute into one bag, so that when we have these trips or these engagements, then we are kiwa. Here is a platform kaZizipho, here exists. We 1 rand, all of us parting the 1 rand nje kuphela, or 10 rand contributing ukuthi kudliwe, so that for if future yabantwana bakho, because let me tell you, no one, we're on our own, Tos. All these organizations, but EFF Mabetuna, let us not shy away. I don't see any future in this country. It will be a matter, because abantu base KZN, and I'm saying it again, over and above the system esihlala kuyo in South Africa, abantu baka KZN bane problems Indians payan, and those people are shaking them. It might seem right now, Uguti, you guys, you've got your pride because you are Zulus, because you can lead. But I'm telling you, you are facing up. If Anga's born, it's going to be a matter of time. And it's so sad, Uguti, it will be too late for the ordinary people on the ground. So it's up to you, Tos.
Thank you. Greetings, everyone.
It sent yami.
Kame baba uzophefumula. Well, the issue is KZN. I really feel that EFF were really being abused there. we are abused there. If ngizoyenza umzekelo, uyayibona i-girlfriend ebethwa ngumyeni wakhe kanye ibethwa i-boyfriend yakhe and ahlale kulo mtshato ngoku e-abuzwayo because uzixelela uba ndimthathile le boyfriend ndamdustisha off ndamkhulisa ndamenza this person that they are. That's what exactly is happening there eLandrogene, KZN, and I feel there's a concerted effort to isolate EFF by IFP, by MK, by ANC. One example, by-elections up at KZN, uHlabisa was doing that thing of t-shirt swapping. Wabeka izigibha zabantu be-EFF, and I was like, but we don't have power there. Why couldn't he use the MK, izigibha ze-MK, izigibha ze-ANC? I feel they know our worth as political party leaders, that once we get and make inroads there at KZN, those votes are not coming back. And that's why they make sure that mass isolate Landrogene KZN. And some people do see our work, that we work there KZN, but we have these leaders that have created this thing, but we cannot allow EFF to make any inroads by KZN. And it's nothing we can do about it. Siyazifaka transformer right, but la propaganda ingena ebantwini, and sometimes you can't blame the masses of the people. They don't know better. So even when there is crises, even ANC members, they go and complain under it disguise to EFF members to raise their plight and issues because they know their government won't do that. So they allow themselves to be used as voting cattle. And it's very sad because we are really being abused. I thought during speeches Kamalema, when we had when the election results came out and there was that press conference saying that, look, we'll focus primarily on the places that voted for us. I thought that was a very nice strategic move because at the end of the day, we cannot lose our bases we're seen as, because South Africa is stretched in terms of resources where we should put. Of course, we need KZN so that numbers nationally is balance, but we need to also make inroads come Eastern Cape because those people are hungry for us and they're not playing. Every elections they show that Babayas Funa. So we also have to work hard and win hard because we do work on the ground. And I also don't believe there was a member of the MK saying that there's no resources. It's because Abana resources because they've decided as MK to give Imaliabe Parliament to one person, but we got a strategy to try and do constituency work whereby as a member of parliament, as a councillor, as a regional leader, you keep money aside for the organization so the organization can do its work because we know that if big businesses don't want to fund us. So we have to find tactics and ways to help us make sure sayifumana imali. And then upendula la issue benimuza kuThozi. I don't want to personalize the issue Thozi to her specifically, but I just want to say, if you as a person, you're a member of the EFF, you don't even have to be a leader EFF. As a member of EFF, you shouldn't go to an EFF event and expect to have VIP treatment. You are a member of the EFF. That is your event. You are not a guest there. You are a member of the EFF. If like the comrades and the leadership is putting on chairs and you see that there's a lot of people and they're behind, you've got also that you can help out in the organization. So that is your organization. And you have to show that it's your organization by supporting the organization. Whereas in the issues their budget, it's just something we are stretched and we are not in power, but with the little we do, we try to make those changes. So you must wear that brand of EFF and not always complain about the leaders, the councillors. They can only do so much. At the end of the day, when a councillor or a mayor or a leader of the EFF comes, they're there for that period, but who stays behind? It's the ground force that knows what happens. So we also have to have that human effect. But this is our organization. And I go say, well, Ngoma, say, Wasiti, Omalema will die after a while. Our children will be born in this EFF. So we cannot really individualize it in terms of one person. You need to own a space EFF. Angathetha umuntu.
Sisithozi njani? Sisithozi kade ngilapho eKZN ngibased eCape Town njengamanje. Ngibhlungu ngendlela oxoxa ngayo. But there is something engiyifundile kwipolitik. Kakhulu ipolitik nje yonke. Angani uma ile nsila ye-ANC noma yini, kodwa nje ngina something engiyifundile kwipolitik ukuthi if kwipolitik hard worker njengawe lobu kade hard worker, ukuba nezinto ekumele udlule through zona, lezo zinto ezingemnandi, kakhulukazi uma sekuya kuma elections. Sometimes they can even play a dirty game, but you have to pass through. Ukumuza uCIC ethi babengivimba, but angikaze ngiluze kuthiwa yini yona lokho election or something, angikaze ngiluze. So kwesinye isikhathi you have to push, and futhi ungambheki umuntu ukuthi unga-individualize, kodwa ubheke la uphokophelele khona. Ungabheki umuntu, ngoba ngiyayikhumbula impi kaMarshall, kwakunzima. Aza ahambe abe secretary, kwakungelula. Waphunyuka embobeni night. So angingasho ukuthi ngoba wayelwela le nto wayelwa engalwi yedwa, wagcina sebakhona leyo dirty game ngenhlanhla yena owawuphambili owayibona. So into yakhona sometimes kwipolitik, at the end uma umuntu yenze leyo dirty game, that doesn't mean kungcolile konke eqenjini or kusubekile leso sikhathi usube kulungiselelwa ukuthi uzohanjwa kuyohlalwa kunyulwe abantu. Nginethemba mina ukuthi uma nje ungabuyela kwi-EFF noma ke ungabanga active, kodwa nje uhlale ubheke, uzobona ukuthi yazi if angilibhobozile lwadonga ngaba ngikude. So kuhlala kunjalo. Ngithi ke mina abanye uthola ukuthi ni busy nisebenza i-ground force, abanye babhizi basebenzela intombi zabo ukuthi if nje sithi ngiyayifaka intombi yami ngosibanibani. But mina as a ground force I have to penetrate lokwakungcola ngidlule ngibe ngale. Then after ngizosho ukuthi ngishaye ubani nentombi yakhe ngize ngibe kule ndawo ngikuyona, angikaze ngiluze mina selokhu ngaqala ucontest. So yiphathi yepolitik, and akumele ukuthi sime nomuntu oyedwa sithi uNkosi yamaMpondo umuntu olokhuzayo. I-EFF ayikho njalo guys. Ayidlali dirty game i-EFF. Iyodwa izimele nje iyodwa, ama policies ayo, ama cardinal pillars onke azimele anje. Ukuthi mina ngidlala i-dirty game, ngifaka intombi zami kule ward yami 109, ngikhetha abantu ngenza leyo nto, but ekugcineni iqiniso liyaziveza, liyazivelela. So bekezela ngani kama ubuyele embuthweni wazi ukuthi lento ayikho ngawe, but inge future generations ekungabazukulu bethu nezuzuku zethu, because amaqembu esesiwabonile are useless. And uSisilumka ngokungathi ushaya khona ngoba ekhuluma nge-MK, angazi ngempela ukuthi bacabanga kanjani abantu bakwaZulu. Ungamvotela kanjani umuntu engena manifesto? That is why bengeke balwe namanje ne-MK ukuthi why ungasibuyisela amathanga athathwe i-ANC. It's because vese abakazi bena manifesto befuna ukuvotelwa. Kwavile kwavotelwa indoda eyodwa nje engena manifesto. Manje izolwiswa kanjani ukuthi ayilungise izinto? So angazi kumanje lento ayisho Siphumza uSisilumka kunenkinga lapha. Sinenkinga ngentsha kama-China holo sisibethu 75 rand bema usuyilanga lonke, but bivese nikhona inkinga yamandiya ePhoenix kakhulukazi lapha ngokwaBesta exhaphaza abantu bakithi. And abantu abayokhulula abantu basePhoenix bakwaBesta koNanda eziMangweni kwaMashu kuyoba i-EFF. Unfortunately kodwa besavotela abantu abangena manifesto nabangenanto bayibekayo ukuthi sivoteleni sokwenza lokhu nalokhu bevele bavotela umuntu ngoba unakho enekhanda elikhulu nakho bemjabukela. but akana into ayibekayo to ukusiza abantu iKZN yohlala inje ya kwayilamanzi ukuthi akekho yenziwa ngamabomu labantu abathendarishayo angithi phela kuneyinqola lapha ezihambisa amanzi lapha koyimangweni konanda koBesta nakuphi into yangamabomu leyenziwa ngamabomu and MK is ngoba ayikazi bena manifest ukuthi izolwela umuntu omnyama. I'm sure ifolde izandla iyabukela kwenziwa le corruption lapha so angazi seswami mina ngithi buye embuthweni noma ubuya full by full force noma ubuya ke ngokuthi uzovota okukhuthaza abantu kodwa abuye embuthweni and you have to penetrate that wall olwalume phambi kwakho. Mina ngikubona uyilead yakusasa iEFF. Mina ngikubona useparlament ngendlela mangifunda indlela okhulume ngayo nendlela oqale yona uzabalaza uhamba kanzima. Sihlala siphoxeka kulento yepolitiki. Mina ngize ngithi udonge kumele ngilupenetrate ngoba uma unenhliziyo encane awungeke ulunge kwipolitiki ngisho nakumkhonto ke ngisho nakwi-ANC but leyo nto iyakutest ukuthi iba ikhekhe lishayo ushe uvuthwe bese uyadleka ebantwini. So yiloko mina engakusho ekugcineni we going to overcome yonke into emephambi kwethu. Yazi sometimes umobilize abantu batshela ukuthi hey kuno fighters banibani njengoba sekule rally ngizofuna khulume uyena ongithumile ukuthi mobilize abantu uma ufika ubiza usifighters banibani akayingeni indaba yakho labantu uma mobilize ukuthi akanje kwi-rally sewuthatha njengomuntu oyixoki ngoba sometimes kunama leaders mhlawumbe kwi-PCT abangaphezulu kunawe oye ukhulume ngabo the time uqoqa abantu baqoqa kuleyo tekisi okuleyo bus kuyiwa kuleyo rally. Uma usufika umuntu akasatholakali o akasafuna ukuza kuwena usungathi usuyixoki manje ubathembisa kufana uma uzofika uCIC bona basenza ukuthi uzofika uCIC nifike uma bethi sombona uCIC sifunele simbone unganyamalali ke mase or else susithembisa uCIC. So angazi kuningi obayidonga kufika kwi-politic but asilubhobozeni bafethu. EFF number 1 ngiyabonga.
I think masilaleni ngo.
Yeah, thank you so much, Z. Thank you, we platform.
Wonke umuntu contributing.
Yeah.